What happened in the school today?
So, we should talk about hydroponics, something like that. It's a water planting thing. So, we said, who knows what water plants is? I read my hand, she picks on me, I stand up and start to explain to the class. While I'm doing that, my child's like right here, pulls my chair, puts it behind him. I'm standing up. When I sit down like this on the chair. When I did it, my head hits Alyssa's desk.
Oh.
Like right here.
So Elisa sits behind you.
Yeah.
Oh.
My back hits the down part. Like it's here.
Mm-hmm.
Top. This the top. And near the legs. Between the two legs there's a metal bar. My back hit the metal bar. After I start to and then after that, Mata and Jake are laughing. I am, on the other hand, a little bit crying. When I get up, my back starts to hurt, and then I put my head down, like I'm sleeping. Miss calls me, and she said, go to the nurse. Go to the nurse is right beside us. And then go to the nurse.
So she send you for a nurse?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when I was in the nurse, I see like count how much people were there.
I don't know.
There were like all sorts of people in there.
Lot of people were there with the chair with the nurse.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I see Matthew beside me. Miss says, sit down. I sit down. I see Matthew behind me. I'm like, Matthew, what happened to you? I said, oh yeah, Josh up here, punched him in the back. I'm like, oh. Chastity? Yeah, Nisa was there too. He goes, yes, yeah. When I was playing basketball, someone pushed me and then my hand stripped. Like right over here. And then I laid over there. Ali's legs is bleeding, and your nose is on fire. Like not on fire. It's hot. Like it's burning. Tashi and some other people were there.
Did nurse check you?
And then I tell nurse everything what happened. And then after there's a mark right here. Jake one, my legs were twisted like this. My legs were twisted like this. Jake one puts his shoes on me and pushes it down. So I pinch him. He pinches me and peeled off my skin. Right here. Miss said that it was swollen. I tell Miss everything. She gives me and Matthew ice pack. And I was basically beside the freezer. My back was turned to the freezer and my head. There was like about 2 ice packs on my back and my head. And after like an hour, I feel pain. Like the ice is not ice, it's fire on my back.
Is it still paining?
Not much now.
So you okay?
I'm okay.
You sure? Alright, go babe.
So,
Your class soon start.
Miss Hay came after it, and Miss K called Matai, and then they were talking for a long time. Miss Hay comes in the class and was like, whatever Matai did to Jonas about the chair falling thing, is a very dangerous act, and you could be sent
To jail?
to juvenile. Do you guys know what juvenile is?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Wait to jail for little people? For like,
Yes,
Yeah.
little people.
like, no, like a jail for like,
18 under. Yeah, and him said that.
Well, I speak to your friend as well. I talked to Matai, and I told him not to do it again. But I guess he do it for fun, right? I don't think
It did hurt very badly, actually.
it hurt. But then he's your friend, right? So you forgive him, right?
Yeah. I slept in class. Oh my god. My sleeping.
You slapped him.
I slept in class.
Oh, you slept in class.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, also a class in the room. Everyone was like, Miss.
well, it is a dangerous act, yes. But I'm sure he didn't do anything intentionally.
Everyone was just dead, like, Miss.
wait.
And they were,
Naeem?
and then took a roll and then took a roll and were just slapping them back. And, oh, Miss, my back hurts. I was like, no, I'm going to send you.